Hello guys, my name is Fitri Wahyuni, Class 2D, Program Study Accounting. I have a simple recipe for making Oreo milkshake that you can drink in a hot day. What you need is sugar, Oreo, milk, tablespoon, some ice cube, a glass of water, blender, and glass. First, crush and crumble some Oreo cookies. You can also put them in plastic bag like this. And fold them with a rolling pin. Pour milk, and 1 tablespoon sugar into the blender. Then add some Oreo cookies into the blender. Add some water. Plug in the blender. And blend it until smooth. Pour the milkshake into the glass. Add some of crust. Your delicious milkshake Oreo is ready to serve.